Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2016 Ford B-Max. So any screen, you've got phone here, so you've also got menu just there around the rotary control. If you click on phone, you'll see there add, BT and close. BT stands for Bluetooth, so we'll go to Bluetooth, click on Bluetooth, the second button in, and it's showing Barry's iPhone, and then you've got add, delete, connect, master. Those buttons at the bottom is quite easy to start messing about with this rotary control or trying to use the arrow buttons in the center. But what you actually have to do, I'll just cancel that, is those four instructions at the bottom correspond to these four buttons here. So we want to delete, which is the second button in. Delete Barry's iPhone now, yes, just to confirm it. That's the first button, and that's it gone.